Hi everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you guys a seed that is really cool. I found 6 villages, 2 temples, and there's even a mine shaft underneath one of the villages. So let's get started with the video. So we're going to go to advance, and the seed is -208872. Oh, I don't know where I went. Okay, 257942716, and that is the seed to get the villages. So I'm gonna do some creative so you guys can see it. So you spawn right here, and if you go straight ahead, and there is a village. So wait for it. It's right here, this village. So this is like a it's not that big. It's a simple little village. And here's the blacksmith. This is one of the. And here's what is in the blacksmith. Timer, 10 ink sacks. No, 16 ink sacks, chest plate, leggings, and tree sacks. Sadly, no saddles. But that's not all. So we're gonna go over here. And what I found over here really weird. So there's an acacia biome, like over here somewhere. So like you keep flying, and then it's right next to acacia biome. It's a temple, but it's like really hard to find. Even I forget where it was. It's actually accidental. I found this accident. So keep flying straight. It might not be in the seed. It was a really random seed. Nope, I don't think it's in the seed. So we're gonna have to go back to this one. If it's not, you guys can. Cause I bet there's probably more temples, but it's not in the seed. I don't think. But I did find one. Found one, but this was all in survival, just so you know. So I didn't really fully speak. But that's what I found, and it was really good. I thought, oh my god, I just put this on YouTube. Yes. Okay. So we're gonna go back still where we spawned it. Okay, I'm getting lost now. But I will not stay lost. Cause there is a lot of stuff near that village right there. There is a really cool mine shaft. Hold on, let me battery. Okay, so we're gonna get compass. Oh my god, I was far off. Go to the meadow where we spawned. Oh, here it was. I'm stupid. Okay, so we're gonna keep going, and the village, next to the village is a mine. So we go in one of these caves near a mountain or somewhere. Cause that's where my friend found it. It's either in this cave here, or is there another cave for it? But it's good. It's Gucci. Okay, so we're gonna put it on some torches, and we're gonna keep going down, and eventually you're gonna find the mine shaft. So let me move. Okay, that's nice. I'm just doing this all wrong. So let's see. Okay, so I just kept going down, and I found a really cool mine shaft. So you fall inside of lava. Well, no, you don't. You fall near the inside of lava. And if you keep going, you're gonna find it. And no, I think it's down here. I believe it is. Yep, it's right here. And this is the mine shaft. No, there was no saddle settling in the chest, but there were diamonds somewhere over here. I'm gonna leave it up to you guys to find it, because I don't want to have you guys cheat
too much.
This is a really good for if you want to start an all survival world, no creative mode. But I'm gonna go back up so I can show you the rest of the sea, because that is not all if you thought it was. So, oh my god. Gravel. Okay, so now we're gonna just gravel ruins today. Really. Okay, so we're gonna keep going. That's kind of scary to me. So, oh my god, so much gravel. Like the gravel trap. Holy crap! Just gonna keep going up past the stupid gravel. Yes, I know, it's a long way. Past the gravel. We're gonna keep breaking blocks till we get up in here. Okay. So now we're just gonna do this. And we're out. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to spawn point, which is over here this way. And once we get there, we're gonna just keep going this way. So we keep going this way. We're gonna find like really mad village. It's good for you to live in, but like sort of messed up. Over here, gotta keep going. Leg. And we're at the village. It's really messed up. I found my friend. It's so weird. Believe it or not, there are 2 blacksmiths. So for both of the villages, because this is 2 villages just really messed up, and the other one so you gotta get in here. Oh my god! I told you it was really messed up in here. So in here there's not that much food. So if you're looking for food, this is the seed. Cause like I get you all set for exploring more. I'll explore like the nearby places, the obvious places. This village, all it had was blacksmiths and food, and that's not all, because very close by there is a temple and everything. Cause I think temples disappear every time you like do a different seed, or else I'm just not finding the temples. But sorry if I'm not. So yeah. Yeah, it's right here, this one. So this is the temple. It really didn't have stuff that I wanted. It had stuff. So, you go down, and you never want to do the middle, because of TNT. So then, you have 6 iron over here. And, Bane of Arthropods. Okay, I'm gonna turn difficulty off, So, you have 3 diamonds, 8 gold, 1 horse armor. You have projectile protection. You have projectile protection. 3 gold, and that's all we have in this temple. So, we're gonna go out of here, and we're gonna go back to the village. So, anyways, we're gonna go back to spawn, because there is another 2 villages. Yes, I know, this is like the village sea, like, and most of them have blacksmiths, and wait, they both do have blacksmiths. So you really get like lots of ice, you dye your little horses and stuff. But this time we're gonna go the opposite way. We'll reach a biome, and then just gotta keep going through the desert, because I found this by accident. This is village, not village, temple hunting, and I found this like really cool double village. Yes, double village. I really like it. So you just gotta keep looking around for it. Somewhere out here. Jeez, my channel is slowly. So sorry. Lag real. So here's the village. There's one, but there's not. Oh my god. Yeah, there is. So you can have blacksmiths. So once you get down here, you can raid the blacksmiths. These two aren't like. So this one was a really good one. Have 3 bread, iron sword, iron pickaxe, iron chest plate, and 10 sticks. So if you want a really hardcore like Katy Perry, then you you have that. Lots of stacks. So gonna go over here. You have horse armor and even more ink sacks. And you have 4 iron. So this was the seed for this right here. I'm just gonna fly up. Why? I have no clue. Yeah. This is all for today. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like more. And yeah. See you guys.